This is why XRP will make you rich. Hello everyone and welcome to the best crypto channel ever. We are going to try our best to give you the most important news and novelty regarding crypto. Please follow us, we will be uploading daily. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss out. The XRP market is on the loose, on a withdrawal to the top. And just as the entire market goes through a sudden and immediate correction, altcoins with a larger market capitalization, like XRP, continue to come out even stronger out of this market correction at the moment. A number of crypto analysts and researchers predict that the market will be trending like this for a while, generating and producing a perfect buying opportunity into these crypto assets, for the most part XRP. And in preparation of the exponential growths, you will see your assets growing to millions and millions of dollars. Even in the middle of the 2-day bearish trend, we have got ourselves some anonymous buyers with some enormous amount of XRP tokens, making transfers of over $12 million to buy some XRP. As claimed by a recent post on Twitter, 8 million XRP transferred from BTC Turk to an unknown wallet. This seriously is influencing the market, but what does this actually mean? Why send 8 million XRP tokens to a private wallet? What statement is this individual trying to make? Are they trying to tell us to hold on longer? Let's find out. For those of you who are very new to this channel and want to find out and learn more about XRP, click the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. We are talking about this crypto because we strongly believe that this is going to be the future of the crypto market, not just a temporary pump and dump but the real deal future. Firstly, if you do not own a single XRP token, then I think that now is the absolute ideal time to buy in, and if you already do, please do not delay, and hesitate to stock up even more. The very honest advice that is given by most of the crypto enthusiasts is that if you already own crypto and owning max that you can afford, you should hold it. XRP has been rallying long before news of the Securities and Exchange Commission broke out, as Bitcoin takes a dive of circa 25% due to Tesla's statements. XRP is seen to be among the top 10 cryptocurrencies going against the grain the Bitcoin's price it brings to the table, which includes ADA, Dogecoin and many others. XRP will make a lot of investors rich, such as in the cases of Eric Feynman. Even though this coin experienced and ran into some noteworthy pullbacks and hurdles in the recent past, its longevity has never been threatened and intimidated. XRP proven that is going to last on the market, and not just that is going to last, but its plan is to grow even larger and to attack the first place in the market cap. As an alternative, crypto analysts and experts from around the world are constantly and continually endorsing XRP as a noteworthy investment. The Ripple blockchain-based ledge is currently living through and experiencing tests in several banks to replace the conventional SWIFT money transfer protocol. This is really no longer news since reports on this have been published on a number of global media outlets. Nonetheless, where most crypto proponents have announced is in the aspect of digging deeper into a crypto project before diving in a hurry into investing in its token. That is why everyone should educate themselves first. If you'd have found out that XRP had been chosen to be the standard for cross-border transactions by the World Economic Forum, an organization that brings together stakeholders on finance and economics from everywhere around the world. So this is one of the most important financial institutions in the world. It has been built upon an underlying blockchain infrastructure that uses distributed ledger technology. Consequently, its ability to complete international money transfers within minutes or even seconds. XRP has a lightning-fast transaction speed per second among its unique features, in addition to its trivial and insignificant transaction fee of about a fraction of one XRP token and so much more. All of those unique features are making XRP very serious token out there. All of which has brought it into the limelight, seeing that the central banks are currently holding talks with Ripple to create private ledgers, giving rise to central bank digital currencies. And at this point it is a matter of time when that happens, because this is definitely happening. So when it actually happens, rest assured, we would see an explosion in the price of a single XRP token to the range of tens of thousands of dollars. And yes, We are talking about the price of one XRP token hitting $10,000 to $30,000. This is not a fantasy, it is what it actually is. A reality. This is not just an OPI. Nyan, but it is an inevitable fact. And if you follow the news and the market trends, you could see this by yourself. At the moment, XRP is going on the path to break its all-time high and it's attacking the $2 price margin. When that is going to happen, nothing is going to stop this digital asset. Of course, on that road you can see some experts and crypto enthusiasts that are noting that there are similarities in the price charts of XRP and Dogecoin. Some of them are arguing that both charts are so similar, and he even predicts that if XRP pumps as much as January or February pump, that's roughly $7. If it does a second pump in the same fashion, that's nearly $60. This enthusiast in continuing his argument with the saying, "This is not a financial advice, but maybe do not sell all your XRPs at $10, just in case." This is really a sign that he is seeing XRP's price over $10. He is also seeing XRP even lot more than that price. Another reason that could lead to an explosive high of the price of XRP is the long-time-waited launch of the Flare network. This is going to be a distributed network with very unique features, and it will include bridge between networks, like Ethereum Smart Contract Protocol and the XRP Ledger system. This is going to be promoted in the second quarter of 2022. And this is why the XRP tokens are going to be used with smart contracts in the same vein that allows the holders of XRP tokens to mint FXRP by sending their tokens to special address on the Ripple blockchain, and when the confirmation about it is received, XRP tokens are going to be cloned into FXRP. The launch of this Flare network is going to boost the price of XRP even higher from its actual price, and the profits from XRP tokens can be very high as well. XRP managed to stand the test of time and the trial of the century. As we all know now, there are talks about the hazardous effect that the biggest crypto Bitcoin is having on the climate. Having on mind this new moment, we could say that XRP could even replace the biggest cryptocurrency in the planet at the moment. If that happens, we all know that almost every XRP holder will become millionaire. In an interview, the head of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, said that sooner the central banks accept the inevitable future of digital cryptocurrency, the better. If the central banks accept the digital currency, it is going to be better for all of us, especially for the investors in the US, said Garlinghouse. He was referring on the fact that some of the banks in some countries are already discussing to launch their own currency. These cases were in Cambodia, China, Bahamas and others. The CEO of Ripple also pointed out that if the central banks and the world governments accept the cryptocurrencies, it will make the cross-border transactions more efficient. Notably, the SEC lawsuit helped XRP in a way of boosting their confidence and making Ripple to go even further out of the US borders. This resulted in the expanding of the market for XRP, and now this company has more than 90% of its clients based outside of the US. The regulations in Asia are much in favor for digital assets and especially for XRP. At the moment, we can see that countries like Singapore and Thailand are already classified XRP as digital asset. But the Ripple's CEO stated that they are considering to move the company's headquarters to the US. Due to this expansion of the company, all its clients that are using ODL can leverage the credit facility segment of the company to scale the cross-border payments to even greater horizons. To support the fact that Ripple is expanding massively is the event that recently Ripple bought 40% in a Malaysian fintech company Trianglo. To the XRP protocol, this company is going to extend the reach because there is going to be improved functionality, on-demand liquidity and offering online cross-border transactions for cheaper price, faster and more secure. This relationship is due to the growing demand for Ripple in the Asian market. This is going to mean a lot to the region and not just the Malaysia. This is going to be a possibility for the XRP technology to expand itself in the Philippines as well and to open new doors to newer ODL passageways. This is going to establish Ripple as the pioneer in the crypto market in this region, and that is going to be significant advantage over the others latecomers on this market. The easiest way to buy Ripple is through a cryptocurrency exchange. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good luck.